Right. I finally got my hands on a Steam controller. I've been wanting to get this thing since day one. I freaking love this thing's existence. And the first thing I'm going to do is when I open this, I'm not even going to fucking plug it in. I'm going to yeet the fucker in my couch. Obviously, I'm not going to fucking break it, but I want to hear it scream so you can all understand why I bought this controller. Here's the interesting part about it. There's no speaker on it, so everything is done through vibrations. Oh, this is a nice presentation. Like, seriously, this is a pretty nice presentation. All right, let me just take a look at this. All right. Can you turn it on? All right. Now, best thing to do is to yeet this thing. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to yeet it. Okay, I didn't get it. Let's try one more time. Not yet. Ah, oh, god damn it. Oh, shit. My earbuds. I told you I was going to be aggressive with this thing. I don't give a fuck how much I spent on this. It's not doing it. I'm so disappointed right now. Give me the Wilhelm scream! Well, at least you could take this like a durability test. Why? Won't you scream? Alright, maybe I have to connect it. I don't know. I do hear like slight vibration, so maybe I have to connect it. Let me just set this up first, and then I'll be right back. Actually, I'm a dumbass. This is an unboxing, and the first thing I did was yeeted this. Anyways, so this is the puck, and I guess the rest is like instructions. There's a USB cable right here, manual, yeah, unboxing, yeah. All right, this is really just a simple unboxing. Like, it's just, this is all it comes with, and this is all you're gonna get. So let me just go ahead, set this up. I just 3D printed this. Let me set this up real quick, connect it to my computer, and then see if I can yeet it. Okay, magnetic pop to install. I'm gonna go ahead, do a little bit of a, oh, okay, wow, puck detected. Okay, that was quick. All right, just give me a minute. Okay. Updating puck controller. Okay, so I need to do a firmware update. This thing needs a firmware update. Okay. Should I just plug this in? It's not updated. Keep it plugged to your PC. Alright, cool. Can I just... I'm hearing a lot of stuff happening in the background. That's why. Just give me a minute, guys. Alright, cool. Puck is connected. Quick note about your puck. Wireless transmitter, blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. Press the Steam button. Oh. Okay. Hardware setup update. Have fun. Before you game, install important firmware update. Okay. So then... Oh, I have to connect it to USB. Oh, I can't just... Let me just... Damn, this thing actually holds it. Huh. Okay. Alright, let me just do a firmware update for this real quick. Give me a minute, guys. Alright, it's up to date. Everything's connected. I could charge it with the puck, which I guess works like this. Hold on, let me see. Huh. Now it's not charging. Yeah, a minute. Actually, no. First thing we should do is now test it. Scream! Scream, child! I give up.